Fractions and decimals. Spiral learning. Knowing about fractions, equivalent fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Conversion of fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole or a collection. Two parts selected out of four equal parts. Fraction is 2 by 4. 7 parts selected out of 15 equal parts. Fraction is 7 by 15. Number of selected parts is called the numerator. Total number of equal parts is called the denominator. Fraction is equal to numerator by denominator. Integrated learning. Mrs. Sinha wants to make a herb wheel in her kitchen garden. Help her to plant the given herbs as per given fractions. Coriander is 1 by 2. Mint is 1 by 8. Fenugreek is 1 by 4. Garlic is 1 by 8. Find the local names of these herbs. Discuss their health benefits in the class. Equivalent fractions. Binkal and Rohit were given a same-sized drawing sheet each by their art teacher. Binkal drew lines on it and made 8 equal parts. She colored 4 parts out of 8. 4 by 8. Rohit drew lines on it and made 4 equal parts. He colored 2 parts out of 4. 2 by 4. On careful observation, we can see that both Binkal and Rohit colored the equal portion, here, half portion, of the whole region. So, we can say that 4 by 8 is equal to 2 by 4. This means that the values of both these fractions are equal. Such fractions, which show equal parts of a whole, are called equivalent fractions. Let us consider some more examples. Amit ran is 2 by 3. Atul ran 4 by 6. Aditi ran 6 by 9. Akshay ran 8 by 12. All 4 children ran an equal distance shown by different equivalent fractions. Hence, 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6 is equal to 6 by 9 is equal to 8 by 12. Finding equivalent fractions. To make a fraction equivalent to a given fraction, we can multiply both numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same number, other than 0. Example 1. Find two fractions equivalent to 4 by 5. Solution. A. 4 by 5 into 2 by 2. is equal to 8 by 10. B. 4 by 5 into 5 by 5 is equal to 20 by 25. 4 by 5 is equal to 8 by 10 is equal to 20 by 25. We can also divide the numerator and denominator of a given fraction by their common factor other than 1. Example 2. Find two fractions equivalent to 12 by 20. Solution: A. 12 by 20 divided by 2 by 2 is equal to 6 by 10. B. 12 by 20 divided by 4 by 6 is equal to 3 by 5. 12 by 20 is equal to 6 by 10 is equal to 3 by 5. To find equivalent fraction with a given numerator or denominator, we use cross multiplication. Example 3. Find an equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 with 15 as denominator. Solution: 3 by 5 is equal to how much by 15? Since 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3, we multiply the numerator of 3 by 5 also by 3. Hence, 3 by 5 into 3 by 3 is equal to 9 by 15 is the required equivalent fraction. By cross multiplication, 3 into 15 is equal to 5 into how much? 45 is equal to 5 into how much? Since 5 into 9 is equal to 45, the missing digit is 9 and the required equivalent fraction is 9 by 15. To find whether two given fractions are equivalent, we use cross multiplication. Example 4. Determine whether the given pairs of fractions are equivalent. A. 6 by 11, 3 by 5. B. 3 by 7, 15 by 35. Solution: checking by cross multiplications. 6 into 5, 3 into 11. 30 is not equal to 33. A. Not equivalent. 3 into 35. 15 into 7. 105 is equal to 105. B. Yes, equivalent. Like and unlike fractions. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. 2 by 8. 3 by 8. 2 by 8. 1 by 8. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. 1 by 4. 1 by 2. 2 by 3. 2 by 6. Comparing and ordering of like fractions. Since like fractions have common denominator, they can be compared by comparing their numerators. Aditya painted 3 by 6 flowers on the wall. Aditi painted 2 by 6 flowers on the wall. Comparing 2 by 6 and 3 by 6, we get 2 by 6 is less than 3 by 6, or 3 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6. Since 2 is less than 3. Example 1. Compare 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. Solution. 2 by 7 and 5 by 7 are like fractions. Since 2 is less than 5, we get 2 by 7 is less than 5 by 7. Example 2. Compare and arrange the following fractions in ascending order. 3 by 5. 2 by 5. 5 by 5. 1 by 5. 4 by 4. Solution. On comparing the numerator of the given fractions, we have 1 is less than 2, is less than 3, is less than 4, is less than 5, which implies 1 by 5 is less than 2 by 5 is less than 3 by 5 is less than 4 by 5 is less than 5 by 5. Example 3. Write the fractions to represent the given figures and compare them by arranging in descending order. Solution. First, we write the fractions as 5 by 6, 4 by 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6. Then we compare them in the descending order as 5 by 6 is greater than 4 by 6 is greater than 3 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6 is greater than 1 by 6 addition and subtraction of like fractions. Anurag ran 3 by 5 parts of a running track. Anjali ran 2 by 5 parts of it. How much of the track did they cover together? What was the difference in the distance they ran on the track? Since 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 are like fractions, they can be added and subtracted by adding and subtracting the numerators, keeping the denominators same. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 5 by 5. They covered all 5 parts, that is, one full track together. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 minus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5. The difference in the distance they ran was 1 by 5. Example 1. 3 children A, B and C have planted 2, 4 and 3 saplings in a garden of 9 flower beds as shown below. Find A. Fraction of flower beds made by each of the children A, B, C. B. The parts of whole flower of the garden made by B and C together. C. Difference in the parts of whole flower beds of the garden made by B and A. Solution. A. Fraction of flower beds covered by A is 2 by 9. B is 4 by 9. C is 3 by 9. B. Total parts of whole flower beds of the garden made by B and C is equal to 4 by 9 plus 3 by 9 is equal to 4 plus 3 by 9 is equal to 7 by 9. C. Difference in the parts of whole flower beds of the garden made by B and A is equal to 4 by 9 minus 2 by 9 is equal to 4 minus 2 by 9 is equal to 2 by 9. Example 2. Add subtract the following. A. 4 by 7 plus 2 by 7. B. 8 by 11 plus 3 by 11. Solution. A. 4 by 7 plus 2 by 7 is equal to 4 plus 2 by 7 is equal to 6 by 7. B. 8 by 11 minus 3 by 11 is equal to 8 minus 3 by 11 is equal to 5 by 11. Think and solve. While moving around a field, Jumbo and Jimmy found a sugarcane. Jumbo ate 5 by 7 of the sugarcane and Jimmy ate 1 by 7. A. Find the total portion of the sugarcane they ate. B. What was the portion of the sugarcane remained left? Finding fraction of a number. Akshay and Bilal collected 15 toy cars. Akshay kept 3 by 5 of them and gave the remaining to Bilal. How many cars did each one have? 3 by 5. Of 15 means 3 parts out of 5 equal 5 parts of 15 parts. To find this, let us divide 15 into 5 equal parts. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 1 part is 3 toy cars. So 3 parts is 3 into 3 is equal to 9 toy cars. So 3 by 5 of 15 is equal to 9. If Akshay got 9 cars, Bilal got 15 minus 9 is equal to 6 cars. Hence, to find fraction of a number, we divide the number by the denominator and then we multiply the quotient by the numerator. Example 1. Kavita has 28 pencils. If she gives 2 by 7 of these to Paras and 4 by 7 to Pranay, how many pencils does each one get? Solution. To find 2 by 7 of 28, we divide 28 by 7 and multiply the quotient by 2. So, 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. Then 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Hence, Paras will get 8 pencils. To find 4 by 7 of 28, we divide 28 by 7 and multiply the quotient by 4. So, 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. Then 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Hence, Pranay will get 16 pencils. Proper and improper fractions. Rohit and Riya get 3 chocolates from their friends. They want to divide 3 chocolates equally between themselves. Can you help them? We divide each chocolate into 2 parts. Both Rohit and Riya can take 3 halves each. 3 halves is equal to 3 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 1. 1 by 2. A fraction which has a numerator less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. For example, 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 6 by 10, etc. A fraction which has a numerator more than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, 3 by 2 as above, 7 by 4, 12 by 5, 5 by 5 is equal to 1, etc. Mixed numbers. An improper fraction can be more than one whole object. Hence, An improper fraction can be written as a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 3 by 2, 2 halves, is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 1 and a half. 5 by 2, 5 halves, is equal to 2, 1 by 2, 2 and a half. 7 by 4, 7 quarters, is equal to 1, 3 by 4, 1 and 3 quarters. A combination of a whole number and a fraction is called a mixed number. Conversion of improper fractions into mixed numbers. Let us take the improper fraction 5 by 2. We know that 5 by 2 is equal to 5 into 1 by 2 is equal to 5 halves, is equal to 2 wholes and 1 half. 2, 1 by 2. We can also convert improper fractions into mixed numbers by division. Example 1. Convert 14 by 3 into a mixed number. Solution. By division. Here is the sum. Quotient is equal to 4. Remainder is equal to 2. Divisor is equal to 3. So, 14 by 3 is equal to quotient. Remainder by divisor is equal to 4. 2 by 3. Conversion of improper fractions into mixed numbers. Let us take mixed number 3, 1 by 2. We know that 3, 1 by 2 is equal to 3 whole and 1 half, is equal to 7 halves, is equal to 7 into 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. We can also convert a mixed number into an improper fraction as follows. A. Multiply the whole number of mixed number by its denominator to get a product. B. Add the product to the numerator of mixed number and the sum so obtained gives the numerator of the improper fraction. C. Write the same denominator for the improper fraction as well. So, 3, 1 by 2 is A. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. B. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. C. 7 by 2. Hence, 3, 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Example 2. Convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. A. 4, 1 by 2. B. 7, 2 by 9. Solution. A. 4, 1 by 2. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So, 4, 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. B. In 7. To buy 9. 7 into 9 is equal to 63. 63 plus 2 is equal to 65. So, 7 to buy 9 is equal to 65 by 9. Decimals. We have learned how to write rupees and paise together. For example, 25 rupees 15 paise is written as 5 rupees and 15 paise. Here, rupees and paise are separated by a dot. This dot is also called a decimal point. Now, consider the following fractions. 1 by 10, 3 by 10, 15 by 100, 37 by 100, 121 by 1000, 679 by 1000. All these fractions have 10 or product of tens like 100, 1000, etc. as the denominators. These fractions can be written in a different form using a decimal point. 1 by 10 can be written as 0.1, which is read as 0.1. 15 by 100 can be written as 0.15, which is read as 0.15. 121 by 1000 can be written as 0.1 to 1, which is read as 0.1 to 1. We can see that the number of digits after the decimal point is equal to the number of zeros after 1 in the denominator of the fraction. Thus, 0.1, 0.8, 0.05, 0.45, 0.275, 1.5, 2.37, etc. are the decimals or decimal numbers. A decimal has two parts, a whole part and a fractional part, which are separated by a decimal point. 158.349. The decimal point separates the two parts. 158 is whole part. 349 is fractional part. The expanded form of the given decimal is given by 158.349 is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 8 plus 3 by 10 plus 4 by 100 plus 9 by 1000. The place value of the first digit to the right of the decimal point is obtained by dividing it by 10, that is, 1 by 10. Here, the place value of 3 is equal to 3 by 10. The place value of the second digit to the right of the decimal point is obtained by dividing it by 100th, that is 1 by 100. For here, the place value of 4 is equal to 1 by 100. This pattern can be continued to the third place, 1000th, fourth place, 10,000th, and so on. The place value chart given below includes both the whole and fractional parts. 1 in 100's place, 5 in 10's place, 8 in 1's place. Decimal point. 3 in 10th place, 4 in 100th place, 9 in thousands. Conversion of some fractions into decimals. The fractions with the denominators 10 or product of tens, like 2 by 10, 15 by 100, etc., can be converted into decimals as follows. Count the number of zeros after 1 in the denominator. Place the decimal point towards left. After one digit, if the no of zeros is 1. After 2 digits, if the no of zeros is 2. After 3 digits, if the no of zeros is 3. And so on from the right of numerator. Thus, the number so formed with the decimal point is the required decimal. Example 1. Convert 8 by 10, 29 by 100, and 17 by 1000 into decimals. Solution. In 8 by 10, the number of 0 after 1 is 1. So, 8 by 10 is equal to 0.8 or 0.8. In 29 by 100, the number of zeros after 1 in the denominator is 2. So, we place the decimal point after 2 digits from the right of the numerator, that is, at the left of the digit 2. So, 29 by 100 is equal to 0.29. In 17 by 1000, there are 3 zeros after 1 in the denominator, but there are no 3 digits in the numerator 17. Since the decimal point is to be placed after 3 digits from the right of 17, the third digit would be 0 and the decimal point would be placed at the left of 0. So, 17 by 1000 is equal to 0.017 or 0.017. Example 2. Convert 715 grams into kilograms and 65 milliliter into liters. Solution. We know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So, 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000. Hence, 715 grams is equal to 715 by 1000 kilograms is equal to 0.715 kilograms. Also, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Hence, 65 milliliters is equal to 65 by 1000 liter is equal to 0.065 liter. Note: the values of following decimals are same. 0.5000 is equal to 0.500 is equal to 0.50 is equal to 0.5. 000 to dot 5 is equal to 00 to dot 5 is equal to 0 to dot 5 is equal to 2.5. Lab activity. Objective: To understand the concept of proper and improper fractions by paper craft. Materials required: small cutouts, punched out colored paper squares in 2 colors. Make packets of 10 squares of each color. Drawing sheets. Procedure: 1. Make groups of 4 students each. Give each group 1 packet of colored square cutouts and 1 drawing sheet. 2. Ask each group to write 1 proper fraction and 1 improper fraction on their drawing sheet after discussion, with smaller numbers 1 to 5. 3. Ask each group to use the square cutouts of 2 colors to show these fractions. For example, proper fraction: to by 5 shows the parts of yellow squares. Improper fraction: 6 by 5 shows the parts of yellow squares. 4. Ask groups to repeat the activity on reverse side of the sheet with another pair of fractions.